Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tennis rackets that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Racquets Tennis Racket Set, a great value pack designed for beginners and recreational players. This set includes 2 27-inch pre-strung rackets, 3 tennis balls, 2 handle grips, and a carrying bag. The oversized 105 square inch head offers a larger sweet spot, making it forgiving for those still mastering their swings. The rackets come pre-strung with durable strings that maintain tension well, ensuring consistent performance during casual games. The design is lightweight at just 0.57 pounds per racket, which reduces fatigue during extended play sessions. The aluminum frame construction is sturdy yet easy to handle, and the overgrips provide excellent shock absorption to protect your hands from vibrations. The sleek blue finish adds a stylish touch to your gear, making it appealing for players wanting a professional aesthetic without breaking the bank. While the Racquets set delivers solid performance for its price, it's best suited for casual players and beginners. Advanced players may find the lightweight design less suited for powerful shots or precision control. However, for those starting out or playing recreationally, this set offers an excellent combination of affordability, comfort, and convenience. It's a great gift idea for friends or family looking to enjoy tennis casually. At rank number 4, we have the Racquets 27 Tennis Racket Set, an ideal option for beginner players seeking lightweight equipment. This set includes 2 pre-strung rackets, 3 tennis balls, 2 handle overgrips, and a carrying bag. With a head size of 105 square inches and a weight of just 280 grams, these rackets are designed for ease of use and extended practice sessions without causing fatigue. The matte black finish gives the rackets a sleek, elegant look. The frame features a strengthened T-joint for added durability, ensuring the racket can withstand regular use. The aluminum construction is both robust and water-resistant, making this set a reliable choice for outdoor play. The handle grip is comfortable and absorbs impacts well, providing a safe and enjoyable user experience. This set is particularly suited for teenagers and adults who are just getting into the sport. While the Racquets rackets deliver decent performance, they are tailored more toward casual and beginner players rather than advanced competitors. The included accessories, such as the tennis balls and carry bag, add extra value for players looking for an all-in-one solution. However, some users may find the string tension slightly loose for competitive play. Overall, this set is a fantastic entry-level choice for players looking to get started or enjoy recreational tennis with friends and family. At rank number 2, we have the Wilson Tour Slam Adult Recreational Tennis Racket, a versatile option for players of all skill levels. Priced at $39.58, this racket features volcanic frame technology for enhanced power and stability, making it ideal for both beginners and intermediate players. The power strings deliver explosive power, while the stop shock pads reduce vibrations, providing greater control during gameplay. One standout feature is the V-Matrix technology, which creates a larger sweet spot for increased shot accuracy and power. The racket is pre-strung for convenience, and its composite material ensures durability without adding unnecessary weight. With a grip size of 4 1/4 inches and a sleek gray and green design, it's both functional and stylish. Weighing 454 grams, it strikes a balance between power and control, making it suitable for a range of playing styles. While the Wilson Tour Slam excels in performance and versatility, some players may find it slightly heavier compared to other options. Additionally, its price point is higher than some beginner rackets, but this is justified by its advanced features. Overall, this racket is a fantastic investment for players seeking a durable, high-performing option that can grow with their skill level. Finally, at rank number 1, we have the Oppum 27-inch Pro Tennis Rackets 2-pack, the premium option in this lineup. Priced at $49.88, this set includes 2 rackets, 2 tennis balls, 2 handle grips, and a portable racket cover, making it a complete package for beginner and intermediate players. The aluminum and composite frame construction ensures durability while maintaining a lightweight design for effortless swings. The rackets are pre-strung and feature optimal string tension for a perfect balance of power and control. The sleek blue and silver design is both stylish and functional, with a comfortable grip that minimizes hand fatigue during long matches. At 2 pounds per racket, they offer excellent stability for powerful shots without compromising maneuverability. The oversized 105 square inch head provides a forgiving sweet spot, making it easier for players to land accurate shots even if their technique isn't perfect. While the Oppum Pro tennis rackets are slightly more expensive than other options on this list, the comprehensive bundle and high-quality construction make them worth every penny. They are ideal for players looking to invest in reliable equipment that can handle recreational play and competitive matches alike. The only downside is that advanced players may want a racket with more customization options, but for most users, this set delivers outstanding value and performance. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.